Hello students, I am Sumit Padhya. I am teaching specialist in Indian polity as well as other general studies subject, Indian history, Indian geography, Indian economy, Indian art and culture as well as current affairs. I am ex-educator of Unacademy in judiciary category. I have taught general study on Unacademy for 6 months. Now today I am going to start MSQ classes for your upcoming exam MPPSC Pre 2023. So this series very important because fundamental rights is the most important topic for your exam. I have discussed or most questions related to Indian polity and I will understand all of you that what is the importance of Indian polity in MPPSC pre-exam. So let me start to the topic. First question today. Consider the following statements. The Article 20 of the Constitution of India states that no person can be convicted for any offence except for the violation of law in force of the at the time of the commission, the act, charge, and offence. The Article 21 of the Constitution of India states that no person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. Which statement are correct? Option A only B only C, both A and B, D, neither A, neither B. Give your answer in comment box. This is very important question. This question is asked in various exam like UPSC and other state PSC exam. Tell me which option is correct here. जो भी स्टूडेंट सेशन को देख रहे हैं आंसर बताएं. If your answer is here C, then it is correct answer. Both B and C is the correct. Which one of the following can be provided under RTI Act 2005? Information leading to incitement of an offence. B. Information leading to disclosure that may constitute contempt court. C. Conditional disclosure relating to information on intellectual property. D. Information relating to cabinet papers recording deliberations of Council of Ministers. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer is here, D, then it is correct answer. Information related to cabinet papers, recording deliverance of Council of Ministers. D option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following is human right as well as fundamental right under the Constitution of India? Right to information, right to education, right to birth, right to housing. Which one of the following is human right as well as fundamental right under the Constitution of India? Give your answer in comment box. If your answer is B, then it is correct answer, right to education. Next. Under which article of the Constitution of India fundamental rights are provided to citizens? Article 12 to 35, Article 112 to 135, Article 1, Article 212 to Article 235, none of these. Give your answer in comment box which option is correct here. If your answer A, then it is correct answer, Article 12 to 35. Next question. Which, which of the following is given the power to implement the fundamental rights by the Constitution? All courts in India, the Parliament, the President, the Supreme Court, and High Courts. Question is that which of the following is given the power to implement the fundamental rights by the Constitution? Give your answer in your comment box. If your answer D, then it is correct answer, the Supreme Court and High Courts. Next question. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to freedom, right to equality, right to property, right against exploitation. We have discussed this question. If your answer is a right to property, then it is correct answer because right to property was deleted from the list of fundamental rights in 1978 by the 44th Constitutional Amendment. Today, at this time, right to property is a legal right. It is given in Part 12 in Article 300A. Next question, are it issued by the judiciary inquiring upon the executive to do what it should have done within its stipulated power is called habeas corpus mandamus provision quo warranto. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? बताइए कौन सा ऑप्शन यहाँ पर करेक्ट होगा? If your answer is here B, then it is correct answer. Answer mandamus is correct answer. Are it uh, issued by the judiciary inquiring upon the executive to do what it should have done within its stipulated power is called mandamus. Uh, there are five types writs are issued by the Supreme Court and High Court on the violation of fundamental rights: habeas corpus, mandamus, provision, certiorari, and quo warranto. Next question. Under the provision of right to freedom, religion are included. Right to propagate religion, right to the sex to bear and carry kirpan, right of the state to legislate for social reforms, right of religious bodies to secure conversion of people to their own faith. Select the correct answer from the code given below. ABC, BCD, C and D, all of these. बताइए कौन सा ऑप्शन यहाँ पर करेक्ट होगा? Give your answer in comment box. If your answer is yes, A, then it is correct answer. A option is correct here. Next, which provision of the fundamental rights is directly related to the exploitation of children? Article 17, 19, 23, and 24. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer is Article 24, then it is correct answer. D option is correct here. Next question. An accused of an offence cannot be compelled to be a witness against himself. Which article of Indian Constitution provide for it? Article 20, Article 21, Article 22, Article 74. बताइए कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा? Tell me which option is correct here. An accused of an offence cannot be compelled to be a witness against himself. Which article of Indian Constitution provides for this? Tell me which option is correct here. If your answer is A, then it's correct answer. Article 20. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights enlisted in the Constitution of India through which one of the following amendments: 42 Amendment, 44 Amendment, 46 Amendment, 47 Amendment. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights listed in the Constitution of India through which one of the following amendments. Which option is correct here? If your answer 44, then it is correct answer. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution guarantees right freedom to press? Article 16, 19, 22, Article 31. Give your answer in comment box. If your answer is B, then it is correct answer. Article 90 related to right to press. Which one of the following right is available under Article 91? D. Read with Article 21. Right to travel abroad, right to shelter, right to privacy, right to information. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If you answered D, then it is correct answer. Next, right to education to all children between the age of 6 to 14 years, included in the direct principle of state policy, a fundamental right. स्टेचुटरी राइट नन ऑफ द। बताइए कौन सा ऑप्शन यहाँ पर करेक्ट होगा, विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट हियर। If your answer is here B, then it is correct answer. Fundamental rights. Article 21A is related to right to education to all children between the age of 6 to 14 years. Next question. Consider the following statements about the Right to Information Act 2005 and select one is not provided for or especially exempted. Option 1 A, it is not applicable in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. An applicant making request for information will have to give reasons for seeking information. C. Removal of Chief Information Officer. D. Every Information Commissioner shall hold office for a term of 5 years or till the age of 65 years, which is irrelevant. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer here is A, then it is correct answer. At present in the Constitution of India, right to property is a, we have discussed this question, is a legal, it is a legal right in Article 300A in Part 12. Next question. Which of the following fundamental right is not available to foreign citizens? Right, equality before law, right to freedom of expression, right to freedom of life and body, right against exploitation. Which fundamental rights is not available to foreign citizen? If your answer B, then it is correct answer. Right to freedom of expression is not available to foreign citizens. All of you know that there are some fundamental rights there that are not available to foreign citizens, like Article 16, Article 19, Article 29, and Article 30, Article 15. It is not available to foreign citizens. That's clear. Next question. Which of one of the following cannot be suspended or restricted even during national emergency? Right to reside and settle in any part of the country, right to life and personal liberty right, right to move freely throughout the territory of India, right to carry on any profession or business. Which option is correct here? Give your answer in comment box. Which one of the following cannot be suspended or restricted even during national emergency? If your answer B, then it is correct answer, right to life and personal liberty right. Next question. Which one of the following rates examines the function of subordinate code? Quo warranto mandamus habeas corpus. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? Which one of the following rates examines the functioning of subordinate codes? Give your answer in comment box. If your answer is C, sorcery, then it is correct answer. Which one of the following subjects comes under the common jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and High Court? Mutual disputes among states, dispute between center and state, protection of fundamental rights, protection from the violation of protection from the violation of the Constitution. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer is C, then it is correct answer. Protection of the fundamental rights. Next question. Which amendment to the Constitution inserted new Article 21A providing right to education in the Constitution? Article 8, Indian Constitution Amendment, 86 Amendment, 87 Amendment, 88 Amendment, 89 Amendment. Which option is correct here? If your answer A, then it is correct answer. 86 Constitution Amendment is correct answer here. Which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution, fundamental rights, hierarchy principle, state policy, the preamble, right to constitutional remedies? Which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution? If your answer is D, then it is correct answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had said that to constitutional remedies, it is the soul of the Indian Constitution, and it is the most important article of the Indian Constitution. Next question. Right to equal to right to equality finds a place in the Constitution under Article 13, 14, 15, 16. Select the above answer from the quotes given below. A or A and B, A B, A B C and C, B C and D. All of these. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer is here, C. Then it is correct answer because Article 14, 15, and 16 is related to right to equality. Right to equality in right to equality there are five fundamental rights article are given article 14, article 15, 16, 17, and 18. So C answer is correct here. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution guarantees equality of opportunity to all citizens of India in matters related to public employment? Article 15, Article 16 1 and 16 clause 2, Article 16 clause 3, Article 16 clause 3, 16 clause 4, 16 clause 5. Give me your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer is here B, then it is correct answer. Article 16 clause 1 and 16 clause 2. Next, which one among the following pair of articles relating of the fundamental rights cannot be suspended during the enforcement of emergency under Article 359 of the Indian Constitution? Article 14 and 15, Article 16 and 17, Article 20 and 21, Article 24 and 25. Which one among the following pair of articles relating of the fundamental rights cannot be suspended during the enforcement of emergency under Article 359 of the Indian Constitution? Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer is here C, then it is correct answer Article 20 and Article 21. Which provision related to the fundamental rights is directly related to the exploitation of children? Article 17, 19, 23, 24. If your answer this question is repeated, Article 24 is correct here. Next, which of the following is correct? The Nehru Report 1928 had advocated the inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. The Government of India Act 1935 referred to fundamental rights. See, the August Offer 1940 included the fundamental rights. The Cripps Mission 1942 referred to fundamental rights. Which of the following is correct? Which option is correct here? Give your answer in comment box. If your answer A, then it is correct answer. The Nehru Report 1928 had advocated the inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. Next, which one of the following right is issued during the pendency of proceedings in a court? Mandamus, certiorari, provision, quo warranto. Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer is here B, then it is correct answer. Certiorari is correct answer. Certiorari writs is issued during the pendency of proceeding in a court. Next question. The word Hindus in Article 25 of the Constitution of India does not include Buddhist, Jain, Sikh, Parsi. The word Hindus in Article 25 Constitution of India does not include. Which option is correct here? If your answer is here D, then it is correct answer. Parsi word is not included. Next question. Next question of this question. The 44th Constitutional Amendment and the Indian Constitution of India removed the following right from the category of fundamental rights: right, freedom of speech, constitutional remedies, property right. If your answer C, right to property is correct here. Which of the following rights which of the following rights does Indian Constitution not guarantee? Right to equal home, right to equal, right to freedom of religion, right to freedom of speech. If your answer is here A, then it is correct answer, right of equal home. Next question, the Right to Information Act aims as to secure access to information. Public authorities provide information to public by a person who has got the information. Provide information by government on public place. Secure information by public from culprits. Which option is correct here? Give you your answer in comment box. If your answer here is A, then it is correct answer. Secure access to information from public. Which of the following is not a fundamental right against exploitation? Right, equal pay for equal work, equality before law, right to freedom of religion. Which option is correct here? If your answer is B, then it is correct answer, equal pay for equal work. Next, which of the following court is responsible for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Supreme Court, High Court, both A and B, District Court. If your answer is here C, then it is correct answer, both A and B. Next question. Consider the following statements. Right to information is necessary in India because it encourages people's participation in administration, makes administration more accountable to people, make administration more innovative, makes people aware of administrative decision making of the statement. Give me your answer. Which option is correct here? All of you students. If your answer is here, A, then it is correct answer, or option A is correct here. Encourages people's in participation in administration, makes administration more accountable to people, make administration more innovative. The option is correct here. Next, in the Indian Constitution, the right to equality is guaranteed by 5 articles. Article 13 to 17, Article 14 to 18, Article 15 to 19, Article 16 to 20. Which option is correct here? If your answer is here B, then it is correct answer, Article 14 to 18. Which one of the following rights was described by Dr. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Right to freedom of religion, right to property, right to equality, right to constitutional remedies. Which option is correct here? If your answer is here is right to constitutional remedies, then it is correct answer. Next. Match list article of the Constitution with list two provisions and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1, Article 16, 2, Article 29, 2, Article 30, Clause 1, Article 31, Article 31, Clause 1. Which option is correct here? List 2. No person can be discriminated against in the matter of public appointment on the ground of race, religion, or caste. No citizen shall be denied admission into any education institution maintained by the state or receiving state aid on grounds of religion, race, caste, language, or any of them. All matters whether based on religion, language shall be to establish and administration or institution for their choice. No person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. Which option is correct here? If your answer is A, then it is correct answer. Article 16 clause 2 no, is related to no person can be discriminated against in the matter of public appointment on the ground of race, religion, or caste. Article 29 clause 2 is related no citizens shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by the state or receiving state aid on grounds of religion, race, caste, language, any of them. Article 30 clause 1 all minorities whether based on religion or language shall have to establish and administer educational institution of their choice. Article 31 clause 1 no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. If your answer A, then it's correct answer. Match list 1 article of the Constitution of India with list 2 provisions and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. Article 14, 15, 16, 17. Which option is correct here? Give your answer in comment box. List 2, the states are not denied to any person equality before law or equal protection of law within the territory of India. Article 15, the states are not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. Article 16, there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters related to employment or appointment to any office under the state. Article 17, untouchability is abolished and its practice and reform is forbidden. Give your answer in comment box which option is correct here. If your answer A, then it is correct answer. Article 14 is related the states shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of law within the territory of India. Article 15, the states shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of citizen, religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, any of them. Article 16 is related there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters related to employment or appointment to any office under the state. Article 17, untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. So here is A option is correct here. Next question. Which article of the Constitution of India says no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any other arduous employment? Give your answer in comment box. Which option is correct here? If your answer A, then it is correct answer. Article 24. According to the National Human Rights Commission NHRC Act 1993, who amongst the following can be its chairman? Any serving judge of the Supreme Court, any serving judge of the High Court, only a retired Chief Justice of India, only a retired Chief Justice of High Court. Which option is correct here? Give your answer in comment box. If your answer is here, see, then it is a correct answer. Only a retired Chief Justice of India as well as. Next question.